video, we answer the question, what are the truth definitions for negation? To facilitate our work, we will review what a truth value is, what propositional or sentential logic is, what an operator is, and then we'll move on to discussing truth definitions and the truth definitions for negation. First, a sentence that is true or false has a truth value. The dryer is not working. It's not true that if you don't have a key to the door, you can't get into the room. Neither Aloysius nor Brett is a dog, and not both Horatio and Ella are dogs. Notice that these are sentences governed by the negation. Now, in propositional or sentential logic, statements are compounded by connectives. We have the negation, the conjunction, the disjunction, the material conditional, and the biconditional. The common symbolic notations are as follows. We're focusing on the negation, which is symbolized most commonly by the hook or the tilde. Remember the role of an operator in a compound statement. Whether we're talking about an atomic or simple sentence, that is a sentence that's irreducible, or we're talking about an already compounded sentence, the role of the operator is to operate on it. So, the dryer is not working is a compounding of the atomic sentence, the dryer is working. Not both Walter and Stewie are pit bull mixes is the negation of the conjunction of the two atomic sentences. Walter is a pit bull mix and Stewie is a pit bull mix. It's not true that if you don't have a key to the door, you can't get into the room, is the negation of the conditional claim. Neither Flanny and Shazi nor Aloysius and Brett are dogs is the negation of an or claim, which itself is a compounding of two conjunctions. Determining under what conditions each of these sentences is true and under what conditions each is false requires that we know the possible truth values of the simple sentences, along with the truth definitions of the operators and the order of applying those definitions to sentences with multiple operators. And of course, here our focus is on the negation. So what do we know about the negation? That its function is to deny. So the way the negation operates is to reject the sentence that it is negating. One way we can think about the truth definition for the negation is that it answers the question, how do I know if this sentence is true or false? A negation sentence is true, or in other words, the negation is defined as follows: when the sentence negated is false, and vice versa. Let's look at an example. The sentence, "It's not the case that today is Wednesday," will be true or false depending on the value of the atomic sentence, in this case, today is Wednesday. So, here are the truth definitions. The negation is false, that's row 1, when the sentence that's negated is actually true. The negation is true when the sentence that's negated is false. So for example, if it's true that today is Wednesday, then the sentence, "It's not the case that today is Wednesday," is false. On the other hand, if it's false that today is Wednesday, then the negation is true. In other words, the sentence, "It's not the case that today is Wednesday," is true. I hope this video helps you understand the answer to the question, what are the truth definitions for negation?